Hello everyone, so welcome back. It's now Saturday morning. We're just starting off with the best things first, Starbucks sandwich and obviously a coffee. I'm just currently going to go into the 2 flats, 2 6-bed, all ensuite HMO. I'm currently with my nephew. I'll do an interview later to see what he thinks I do, and then do a video afterwards of what he thinks I do, so stay tuned. I'm just going to eat my sandwich and then we'll go in. Hello, so I am now in the 2 flats, a 6-bed, all ensuite. I'm just going to have a quick look at my nephew Owen. Say hi, Owen.
Hello.
That's the grumpy teenager in the morning. So, Owen, so currently at the first house. It's the first one that you've ever seen with myself. He's probably a bit nervous on this. So, Owen, what do you think I do?
I think you manage housework things. I think you manage house.
Okay, so he says he thinks I manage house things so let's see what he thinks I do at the end of the 3 tours. I'm going to be doing this one, 3 flats, 2 6-bed, all ensuite. I'm going to go to the nightclub, which is 22 units in total, and I'm going to show you a new project that I shall be doing. Stay tuned. So welcome back. I'm going to start off a bit unusual. I normally start from the loft. I'm going to start from the ground floor so you can get a really good feel of the layout. So if you come on forward, what we always say, HMO, make sure that you put the electrics, put them on an external space. So here, that's the fuse board. Make sure they're accessible to every single tenant. If they aren't any good, putting them in a bedroom. So I'll walk you around. This is over 4 stories. You've got the basement, ground, first and loft conversion. So come on in, this is bedroom 1. So what you'll see here, this is off the front door, bedroom 1, front ground floor, ensuite. It's 6-bed, all ensuite. So you'll see in a moment, you'll look in the ensuite. We're already starting second fix, shower trays are going in, we're still cleaning, and I'll walk you around. Have a look. So it's very simple. Here what we've done, we've moved the doorway across by about 1 foot. You'll see the brickwork here, it's moved across. Some people do say, why are you doing that? Well, there's a great reason. We moved the door frame across just because that will be now an open wardrobe. So saving space on the bedroom, it's a usable floor area and it creates a nice square bedroom. So moving on, what we've done, fire door frames are going in. These are fire door frames, all gone in most bedrooms. I'll walk you around. We are pushing on now towards the second fix stage and plastering. Come on through. So we're going to walk through. This is the central kitchen. As again, fire door frames are in. You're back in the kitchen. Have a little bit of a walk around, a pan around, have a look, and I'll show you exactly what I'm doing. So, in the kitchen, it's going to be a big U-shaped kitchen with a breakfast bar and a TV on the wall over there. You will see, we've already sketched out the kitchen. What it is, we're going to have a kitchen worktop, say here. So it's come along, it's going to square off, go all the way along here. I'll walk around. It'll be squared off here, it'll be cut into this wall. Come along to the window. You will be washing your dishes, looking out the nice window. It's been bricked up, so the height of the worktop is correct. We're going to put all new windows in here, so U-shape all the way around, washing your dishes with a worktop ending here. Nice big U-shape. We're going to have a door opening here, then literally a breakfast bar all the way across. It's a really big kitchen, TV on the wall. We are installing 2 ovens, 2 hobs, 2 extractors. It's only a 6-bed all ensuite, but I will be asking HMO officer to allow me to have 7 people in this building. You're not allowed to have it until you go change of use, but it always gives the alternative to the investor. So come on through. Another fire door frame here. This was the original kitchen for the ground floor flat. We have gone and cut the original doorway back out because the new doorway from the flat was at the back of the house. That's been bricked up, so that's where the door is going to be. We can have fridges and freezers here. That will allow more usable space in the kitchen. We put a door in here. This is the wall for bedroom 2 at the back. We are going to take this massive chimney out. As we walk through, you can see the depth of the chimney. So at the moment it doesn't look like a really big bedroom, but it's still enough for a small bedroom. But what we do, we walk through, all this is getting taken down, which is a massive stack, it's probably 2 foot wide. Might be a bit dark in here, but literally what we've done, this was the original back door, it's been bricked up. There was an original window on the right hand side, that's also been bricked up, because you don't need a window in an ensuite. What we'll be doing is that wall's taken out, we're pulling the door, say roughly here, and this section, what I'm standing in now, this is going to be the ensuite for that bedroom. So if you can imagine, from here, all the way back, that's going to be the bedroom for number 2. So you can imagine, it's a really big bedroom once that chimney's taken out. All the structural calculations are in, the steels are being made, so hopefully next week we can drop that down and you'll see a lot of change. So let's turn around, walk back to the front door, and I'll start going up to the first story. Let's have a look. I did forget to mention there is a basement that is getting fireboarded, it is getting first fix, it's getting the correct fire alarm system down there, so we can put washers and dryers down there if needs to be. It will be a usable floor. So that's the first floor.